Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Coding Professor. Right? So, do you know how we can join two or more strings together in Python? Let me show you. Suppose you want to join your first name and last name in Python. How can you do it? That's where string concatenation comes in, right? So in Python, there are multiple ways to join strings, but there are three main methods, right? We will do it today. So first one is so first I will write the definition. String means the process of adding the string to more than two. Right? There are three methods. There are three methods to add or concatenate the string. Right? So which are they? First one is string concatenate by using plus operator, right? Uh, and second one is uh, join method, right? Sorry, join method. And third one is uh, f string, right? F string are format method, right? So format method. So today we will to cover these two. One is string concatenate by using plus operator, and second is join method, right? In the next video we will cover f string or format method, right? So now I have already told you. Do you know how we can join more strings together in Python? Suppose you have want to join your first name and last name. Suppose uh, my first name is Jalvat, right? The last name is equal to Singh, right? So now we will print both the first name and last name. So we will print the last name and first name. So we will write the first name, right? Sorry, and plus we will use the plus operator, right? So the last, sorry, last last name. So this is the what we call the string, but we have required the space between them. So what we have to do, we will use the uh, plus operator, and we will use the double quotes in between, right? Between the strings. So this is what we call. So this is the. So this is what we call the jealous string, right? So we can these both the first name and last name merge into third variable called C, or the full name, right? So we can write full name just like that, right? So this is the perfect way to print this string. So is equal to first name and plus uh, last name, right? So this is what we call. Now we will print the full name, right? We will print the full name, right? So this is what we call the. But we have required the space between them, the last name and first name. We will use the double quotes, right? So this is the double quote. And, now we will print that. So this is all about the string concatenation method. So this is the first method, string concatenate by using plus operator. So now we can use the join method, right? In the join method, you can use the in the same, just like we what is equal to. We write Python, Python, comma, double quote, a sorry, comma, double quote, fun, right? So now we want to print that sentence on the screen. You will write the sentence, right? Right? Equal to, we will join the uh, double quote, right? This double quote is used for what? The space between Python and is and fun, right? So it will give among them, right? So dot join, we will write the words, right? So now we will print the sentence, right? So it print on the screen. So this is Python is fun, right? So these were the two methods we have covered, right? Concatenate string in Python using class, join, and join method format. Now we have remain f string. In the next lecture, we will cover that and try these methods in your own code and tell me which one is your favorite, right? In the next video, now that you know string concatenation, the next video we will learn about string plus. In the next video, we will cover the string method, right? So this is the string method. We will use the what type. So this is the remain, right? So thank you very much. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, right? Thank you very much.